5 divided by 1 over 5 times 5. If this 5 cancel this 5, we have 1 here. And what we have left is 5 divided by what? Which is this 1. 5 divided by 1 will give us what? 5. But this answer is wrong. According to the KCF rule, if we solve this mass, our answer will be 5 divided by 1 over 5 times 5, which is, if we follow our KCF rule, this K stands for keep, this stands for change, and this stands for flip. Keep, change, then flip. Now, if we follow the rule, and our BODMAS rule says, so this BODMAS rules, this B stands for brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now, if we follow the rule, we are doing division first. So we do this first. So we'll keep 5, change our division to multiplication, then 5 will go up, we'll flip 5 upward, 1 will come down, times 5. Now, 5 times 5 will give us what? 25. 25 times 5 will give us what? 25 times 5. 5 times 5 will give us 25. Put down 5. You carry 2. 2 times 5, 10. Plus this 2, 12. So our final answer will be what? Our final answer will be 125. And this is our final answer.